Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to share my experience on running the second Notion Malaysia workshop this year. So it was on May 1st, which is Labor Day. So I told my clients, oh, enjoy your holiday, right? And then it turns out that I actually don't have holidays. So yeah, but overall, I really enjoyed the experience. I was very fortunate to have the people from Notion Logia. I think they now call themselves Noxon, which is also a certified. So they are certified consultants, Notion consultants, and an agency. So there's Daniel, and unfortunately Alejandra couldn't join. But I really appreciate them coming and then helping to kind of facilitate introducing what they're doing and also connect with the local communities of Malaysia. So initially I was expecting a bit more people, around 20, 30 people, but around 17 show up. I think 16, 17, which turns out to be just right. Because since we would have the ability to kind of facilitate a more personal ways to run workshops. So usually, like for me, I get a lot of questions from the participants, but sometimes I don't have the time to address each of individually, right? So what happens? Then it was there, and then we kind of split into two small groups, and they kind of help to answer the questions, and then I think overall people enjoy it, and also have food, which thank you Notion for sponsoring that as well. So yeah, so if you're new here, so just kind of let you know that my name is Thomas. I also run a Notion consulting agency, especially in Malaysia. So we do host our monthly workshops, and then also which is online, and then also in-person workshops, which will be on every quarter. So the next one should be on I think June or July. I think it should be July. Then I'll share more announcements as well. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.